Hello everyone, welcome to Tech TPLM, a place where you can master programming. Before moving forward to the lesson, I want to remind you that if you like the video lesson, please make sure that you subscribe our channel and enable the bell icon so that you will get notifications when new videos are uploaded. So you will never miss a lesson. I will show a short demonstration about how to subscribe to our channel at the end of this video. Keep watching the lesson. Hello everyone. This video we are going to discuss about different merging options in Excel. So as you can see, I am working in the same file to keep the continuity of our lesson, and you can see the file name is details file, and we have employee details, product details and student list before, and I have added an extra sheet called workshop. So in that workshop sheet I selected starting from B2 till H16, and I have applied an all border, normal all border style. And in B2 I have written heaven, and B4 also I have written heaven. Okay, so now you can see there is a button called merge and center, and it's a drop down button. So what do you mean by a drop down button? Some of the buttons, when you click the buttons, the action happens, nothing else happens. For example, when I click this heaven and when I hit this bold button, what is actually happening? The text become bold, nothing else is happening, right? Okay, but when I click this heaven and when I click this border button, it gives a list of items from where I can choose whatever I want, right? So that kind of buttons are called drop down buttons. So how do we define a drop down button? So drop down button is a button. When you click that button, what will happen? It will give you a list of options from where you can choose one option you want. Same like that, when I click this merge and center button, there is a small arrow to the right side of the merge and center button. So when I click the merge and center drop down arrow, it gives me more options, right? Let's see each of them one after the other. So I'm selecting starting from, or I'm highlighting starting from B2 till E2. So how many cells I have selected? B2, C2, D2 and D2. So total 4 cells I have selected, right? And after selecting all these 4 cells, I went to merge and center, and I opened this drop down list and I chose the first option, which is merge and center. So when I click this one, actually what happened? You have already seen what happened, right? So all the 4 selected cell becomes one single cell, and the content, which is heaven, it is taken to the center of that big cell, right? Okay, so even if you select vertically and if you choose merge and center, what's gonna happen? It will merge all the cells you selected. It will combine or like fix all the cells you selected. Now we will see. So I have another heaven here. So I'm selecting the same number of cells 1, 2, 3 and 4, and I will go to the merge and center option. This time I will choose the third option, merge cells. We will come back to this merge across. We will go with the merge cells first. So merge and center, you know, and I'm going to show you what is merge cells. So when I click the merge cells, all the 4 selected cell becomes one single cell, but the content, which is heaven, is still in the left side. So I believe now you understand what is the difference between merge center and merge cells. When you choose the first option, merge and center, it merges or combines all the cells you selected into one and take the content to the center of that big cell. And if you select a group of cells and if you give merge cells, it combines all the cells you selected into one, but the content will not be taken to the center. That is the only difference between these two options. Now I'm selecting a group of cells, like I'm selecting starting from here to here. And if I choose merge and center, it's gonna merge all the cells. I'm rolling it back. Then if I choose the third option, merge the cells, also it's gonna select all the cells, right? So this time I'm gonna choose merge across. So when I click merge across, what is actually happening? You might have noticed that all the column divisions of the selection are merged, but the rows are still there. So if you have any requirements like that merging, you can do the merging like this, right? So merge across, which will merge all the columns you selected, not the rows. And finally, there is a last option, which is a fourth option, unmerge cells. The name itself suggests what is unmerge cells. What is unmerge cell? To cancel the merging. So when I click the unmerge cells, you can see that all the cells comes back, but the border will not come back. You have to give the border separately. So I believe you understand all these four options under the merge and center. So now where do we apply this? So to apply this one, like for example, this employee table, I want a general title at the top of this table, like employee details. So I can right click and insert a new row. Now I have a new row at the top of this one, which is having 3 different cells. I will give a border to make you understand, like there is 3 different cells. So I will give an all border, so there is 3 different cells. So I want to apply, I will make it a little bit bigger, and I want to merge these 3 cells into one single cell and want to apply a general title. So I'm going to give the general title first, employee details. Okay, and what I will do is, like, I will select all these 3 cells, then I'm gonna go to merge and center, and I will click on merge and center. So all the 3 selected cells becomes one single cell and the content was taken to the center, right? So I will give a stylish background for this one and make it bold. That's how it works. So I believe you understand what is merging options in Excel. Thank you for watching. Next lesson we will learn about how do we do the wrapping text, typing multiple lines in one single cell, and after that we will learn how do we do the text orientation. Thanks for watching. If you like the lessons, make sure that you comment below this video to pass me a message like you understand the lesson. Thank you so much. I will see you again. How to subscribe to our channel? Step 1. Click on the channel icon or view channel option to go to the channel page. Step 2. Click on the subscribe button. Step 3. Enable the bell icon to get notified when new lessons are uploaded. Congratulations, you are now subscribed and never going to miss any lesson. Thank you.